Hey, so if you got this video, you've either been sent it or you found it on a website or YouTube channel. You've either gotten a pond built by us, you've had maintenance by us, or you're looking for some help that we're giving you. So let me flip you around so you can see what's going on. So here's a typical medium pond. This pond here has been in for a number of years. Very well planted with rushes, creeping jennies, water hyacinth, lilies, and a lot of elephant ear and everything. So it's looking like it is really grown in. But this pond is always going to be a bit brown, like some will. But I've got giant crepe myrtles next to this pond that are always dropping organics. So that brown color is caused by the organics. So if you're new and you don't have any of that, you don't have anything to worry about yet. If you have existing pond but you need some help, so you're going to look and go, ooh, what is that? That's our skimmer. That's where the water gets drawn in. Now, if it's a skimmer that we haven't put in, it doesn't look like that. It might not be that odd faux rock look. It might be a square. It might be a rectangle. It might be an octagon shape. But if you take that cover off, you'll find where you have everything going on. So here's one. We'll take this off. This is a bigger skimmer. So in here we've got a skimmer basket, our pump down there, and the door. So what are you going to do if it's something you're kind of take care of yourself, or you just bought the house and you have it? If you need some kind of regular maintenance, you're going to do things like close your skimmer door, just like that. Door's closed. You can then lift your basket out like you have right here. You lift it out, and if it's got any debris, you'll knock it out. If you got a lot of debris down there, like I will get, like I would pull my pad out at some point and say, time to pull this pad out. So I'll reach down in here, and it's filled with sludge. And that noise is the loud noise. That loud noise is the pump wanting water because I shut it off. So I'm going to bang my pad out. If there's something I was going to do regular maintenance, I take it and actually rinse it off. Boom, take this pump pad, put it back in there. Put it back in its place. Put my skimmer basket back in. Hook it into place. And open that door, and you notice that the sound gets much quieter. That's because the water is getting to the pump, and the pump is drawing it in the way it needs. So that pump is in there. That's the skimmer basket. I'm going to put the cover back on. That's the basics of cleaning your skimmer. How often do you do it? Really depends on your surroundings. Somewhere where I have lots of organic material around me, it gets done probably every week or two. My house, it probably doesn't get every week or two. It really comes down to how much time you have. That's where most people call us and have us take care of it. Where we come every 2 weeks to every month or more, depending on what you're looking for. So there's your waterfall. This one has a real small waterfall, but up there, if you see, well planted is our biofalls. Biofalls is the top where the water comes out of. If you have one that's newly built, might not have anything in it. Or if you have one that you bought the house and they have anything in it, might be empty. But ours, so I've got creeping jennies, I got pickle rushes, irises, corkscrew rushes, I got plants, I've got wood. All these things are things that you add as the homeowner, unless it's a package you have us do. If it's something you're new with us and you're having us do regular maintenance and it's the beginning of season, this is an option you'll get about having us plant it. Because all these plants will grow in there. They'll all be set in this. Look at the root structures on this. All of this will grow. What it'll help it do, it'll help clean the pond. It'll eat all the organics. So same in our stream and around our edges. We've got irises and other things. Creeping jennies all planted and growing in here. These are all things you can do. This is all part of your pond. So does this get cleaned? Yes, typically in the spring, you'll get it cleaned. Because we'll pull everything out, we'll clean it, power wash it, we'll drain your pond down there, we'll drain it out, we'll clean it, we'll power wash it, we'll clean all your filter pads, we'll get it up and running. So hopefully this helps you understand about your pond.